What is up, guys? We are back with another video now, and this one is called Fridge. Oh. What the? Oh my God! Something got stuck in my throat. What the? Oh. We are playing a Fridge RNG now. If you do know, there was a game that I played on this channel that was called Container RNG. Now, I don't know if the same people that made this one made that game. I don't think so. I do not think so. So we looked at... No one cares about the takeover. Oh my goodness. Hey, get this whack-ass event off my... No. The same devs did not make that game. So, we are here trying out some Fridge RNG. This is literally... Wow. It's literally almost the exact game as that. Except with fridges. So technically, as you know, we're going to be probably placing down stuff that's in fridges in there, right? Wow, look at that, huh? God damn, look at the size of that apple. Drop all. There you go, guys. These are my friends on my friends list. Bruh. Friends on my friends list. Friends on my friends list. How's it going, friends on my friends list? Anyways. We got 10 times luck. Crate RNG didn't seem to do that, did they? Is that an onion? Dang. Well, guys, here you go. You want some food? Oh, these games. They got the upgrades. They got that. Oh. Hold on, I got the chill, the chill sun. Giga Chad sun. No, I am not gonna do that. Thank you. Oh, wait, I have, like, no money. So, I mean, this video's not gonna be long, because obviously we technically have seen... God damn, what the... What are you telling me to shop for? I'm not spending any Robux. Get on with it. Anyways. Masteries. They got the masteries, huh? Upgrades. Auto clicker? They got an auto clicker in this? Why? You know you could just get an auto clicker off the internet. Like, why even... You don't even need that. Let's do this. Empty... Oh, right. Hold on. How do you... Wait, I ordered that refrigerator? What the... Oh my God, what the fuck is that? Is that a giant pizza? Holy crap, look at the size of that pizza. I don't have enough space. Seriously? One item in there, I don't have enough space? You're trolling. Oh my, look at the size of that pizza and those grapes. That pizza looks good. Hey, let me know in the comments, what's your guys' favorite pizza? Mine is Domino's. I love some Domino's pizza. Is this a watermelon that's electric? Look at the size of that. Is that an apple? What is that? Oh, that is not an apple. What is that? Is that a pumpkin? That's a pumpkin. Apple. Listen to me. Get over 40 kilogram foods, huh? So technically, in order to do that, you need the big boys. So let's get the big boys. Here we go. Is that a green apple? Oh my lord, the size of that apple. That is massive. Might be more massive than the low taper fade meme, honestly. Rewards. A golden refrigerator? Hold up. What they got in the golden refrigerator? I'll probably make this video like 10 minutes and then stop it. Oh my lord. Hold up. What they got in there, bro? Some waffles. Is that a donut? Or is that a bagel? A bagel. I'm gonna keep just buying these, honestly. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I'll make this a little bit short because there's not much to showcase. Honestly, this is technically all there is to it. I mean, how do I not have enough space, you fucking trolling ass? What the heck are you gonna make with that big piece of bread? Are you serious? What are you gonna make with that big piece of... Someone bought that big piece of bread. I think I'm just gonna end it, because honestly, that's all there is to this. You're technically just making money, getting new refrigerators, and that's technically it. Yeah, honestly, I'm gonna keep this one short, because as you all know, I haven't really been myself the past couple of weeks, or months, or a month, I don't know, but... am I missing something? How do I... This is the refrigerator thing, right? I don't know, but honestly, I'm going to keep this one short. So with that being said, that is going to be it for this video. I do hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you do come across the channel and you're new and you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. And yeah, because I'm trying to reach 1K. So hope you all enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I love you all. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.